right, viewers, let's quickly get you up to speed with the very latest news break that is coming in. It's curtains down on phase 4 of elections polling in the state of West Bengal. Over 76% polling in Bengal has been reported in the 4th phase today. It's the lowest till now that has been reported in any which phase. Polling was held in Cooch Behar, Alipurdwar, South 24 Parganas, Howrah and Hooghly. That's the latest that is coming in, viewers. The lowest polling till now. It's still high by the standard of India and other states where 76% is concerned. But if you go by the first 3 phases, it's the lowest one we've seen till now. And there's reason enough. And I want to bring into this conversation my colleague Prema, who's joining us with more. Prema, 76% curtains down on phase 4 of polling. 44 constituencies have voted over 5 districts. One of the main reasons, possibly, that this percentage is not as high as the first 3 phases, Prema, is the violence that we had seen, which has been, at least the first 3 phases had not seen the kind of violence that this phase has seen.
The violence is a major factor why the polling is the voter turnout is low, and that is something which was not anticipated because the last 3 phases, when we look at the voter turnout, it was quite high. And going by Bengal, where people are majority of the people are politically aware and want to go and cast their vote, this voter turnout was not expected. Another fact, Preeti, is that in other parts of the districts of the state, when we're looking at Howrah, for example, there were also incidents where voters were prevented or threatened from going to the polling booth to cast their vote. It was later on when security forces arrived that things did ease out. There were also incidents of crude bombs being hurled in some parts of Howrah, and there are these sporadic incidents of violence that have come in as well from other parts of West Bengal which went to polls today. So these are some of the factors, but of course the Cooch Behar incident is a major factor where here we're looking at the voters who had gone to cast their vote. 4 of them died. There was a first-time voter, an 18-year-old. He also died. Now, these are the factors that voters will keep in mind when we're looking at the other 4 phases of elections. But a 76.1 voter turnout is what we see today. And when we're looking at the 4th phase of election, there were heavyweight candidates who are in the fray for the 44 seats. Back to you, Preeti.
Appreciate you joining us, Prema. It is a highly unfortunate incident that took place in Cooch Behar. There are 4 voters who are dead. The TMC says that they are going to protest across the state. They say it's atrocity by the centre and the Central Force.